Hello, kids! Today we're taking you on a magical journey to a kingdom high up in the clouds, a little boy, a golden staircase, and a brave heart. Get ready because the adventure is about to begin. Cloud Kingdom Adventure. Come on, let's step into this dreamy world together. One evening, Ali was sitting on his rooftop, gazing at the sky. Suddenly, a glowing golden staircase began to descend from between the clouds. Ali watched in awe, and driven by curiosity, he grabbed his backpack and started climbing the stairs. As he reached the top, he entered a magical world, the Cloud Kingdom. The trees looked like cotton, the birds resembled floating clouds, and the air carried the scent of rainbows. There, Ali met a soft, white cloud bunny named Fluffy. Fluffy told him that the leader of the dark clouds, Thunderon, wanted to take over the kingdom. Only the rainbow wand could stop him, and it would shine only with the power of a brave heart. Together, Ali and Fluffy set off to find the wand. When Thunderon arrived, Ali raised the wand high and declared from his heart, "Love, friendship, and light can never be defeated." The wand sparkled brightly, and the dark clouds vanished. The kingdom lit up once again. Everyone thanked Ali and named him the protector of the clouds. Ali returned to Earth, but his heart always remembered the softness of the clouds and the warmth of friendship. So kids, how did you like Ali's magical adventure? Remember, with courage, friendship, and love, any darkness can be defeated. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again with another fun and magical story. Until then, keep smiling, keep dreaming. Goodbye.